Welcome back. My name is V. If you're new here, I appreciate you stopping by. And my regular community subscribers, thank you for sticking with me through this journey. Today's look. I'm doing that because it's never planned. Okay. I'll go in with this color right here. I'll put this color right here close to the outer corner, not quite, but then I'll walk in to the crease. If you are new here, I want you to know that I have hooded eyes, and I always work with my hooded eyes because they are uneven, and I need the colors to show because I love colorful makeup. If you look, you see this extra piece. Sometimes it's puffier than others. If you look right here, you see this one is more puffy than this one. So here I have more skin drooping than over here. You see? Because this is puffier. This is not as puffy. But I still love to play with my makeup, and I want you to do the same. Have fun with your makeup. I am just dabbing this in the crease and just working it up so it can get lighter as I go up. The darkest part will be the crease. As I go up higher, I'm just sharing it out. I'm not adding any additional color. I'm just going down in the crease and then just working it up, all the way up. I'm going to take this smaller brush and go into the black and dust it off because I know that black has a lot of fallout. I'm going slowly with the black because I don't want a lot of it. I just want a little bit for definition. So I try to keep it right in the outer corner and merge it in the crease. Like this. Now I'm going to put a shimmer. Like I tell you, some colors in this palette have a lot of fallout, not all, some. The black is not very powerful, as you can see, but you can build it up. Each color in there you can build up to what you want. I'm going to use this gold right here. As you can see, it have fallout from the yellow and the orange. So I'm going to use this gold right here. So if it's looking a little different because of all the fallouts that it have, but that's what I'm going to use, that gold. And I'm starting in the inner corner. And I'm walking my way back to join it with the black. I did not use a glitter glue. Today's I am is I am enough for me. I am enough for me. Today's I am. Know that you are enough for you. This is the gold. This is today's look. I use 3 colors to create this from my palette. I'm using my Holy Grail palette, which is in my Panning Project palette. And I use 3 colors. As you can see, it's a beautiful palette. I appreciate you watching. every video of mine. Please remember to share this video and play a playlist. I thank you very much for that. And again, until I see you and you see me, I want you to know that you are enough in every single thing you do. You are enough in every single thing you do. I love you dearly, and I will see you shortly in the next video.